Hello students, welcome back to KVRI Academy online study channel. Myself R.Maurya, your chemistry teacher. In previous video, we discussed about suspension and colloids. In this video, we are going to discuss about separating the components of a mixture. How the components of a mixture can be separated. So first of all, we should know that what is the need of separation. Why we separate the components of mixture. By separating, we can get useful materials. Separating also discards unwanted material which we do not require. There are different methods to separate the components of mixtures. Many methods are physically. For example, hand picking, sieving, filtration. These are physical methods. You can see your homes that any member, maybe lady member in her home, she separates some small pebbles from rice and dals. Tea filtration, which is physical method. Before having tea, we filter it. So these are physical methods, but all the components cannot be separated by physical methods. For that we use chemical methods. Today I will tell you how to find the color dye from a ink. This is an experiment. Today our aim is to find the color dye in ink. To find the colored dye in ink. Materials required: a beaker, watch glass, water, burner, stand. This is wire gauge. Procedure: how we will do this experiment, that is the procedure. So first of all, we will fill the beaker, half the beaker, with water. So fill half beaker with water. In next step, we will put watch glass above the beaker, and in watch glass we will put some drops of any ink like black ink or red ink. Put the watch glass on the top of beaker and put some drops of ink in it. Third step. After that, we will heat the beaker. In this process, we are heating the ink also, not directly but indirectly, because when we will heat the beaker, this water evaporates and the vapor will hit the watch glass and ink. So in fourth step, water starts evaporating. Water starts evaporating. And this steam heat the ink. And evaporation starts from ink also. When you heat the beaker, water starts evaporates and gives out steam. This steam goes upward and hit the watch glass. When watch glass hits, ink also starts evaporating. So the water part of the ink will change into vapor. Heat it until the evaporation ends from ink. Means until the evaporation not stops from ink, heat till that time. After that, in last, he will get the color dye in watch glass. So that is the observation, that you will see the water from ink evaporates and small crystals of color dye will be remained in the watch glass. So with this we conclude that the mixture of volatile and non-volatile materials can be separated by using evaporation method. Here ink, that is the mixture of water which is volatile, and color dye which is non-volatile. So when we heat or evaporate it, the volatile material water evaporates from the mixture and color dye will remain there. That's all. Thank you.